Dressum exhibition is back in Ahmedabad at Radisson Blu. So we have a curator of this exhibition. Hello ma'am.
હેલો અમદાવાદ, નમસ્તે અમદાવાદ. અમે લોકો કંઈક નવું લઈને આવ્યા છે આ વખતે ફરી વેડિંગ એન્ડ ફેસ્ટિવ કલેક્શન એટ હોટલ રેડિસન બ્લુ પંચવટી ટુડે એન્ડ ટુમોરો. સો પ્લીઝ ડુ વિઝિટ. તમને કંઈક નવું જોવા મળશે. થેન્ક યુ.
And they have the brands from all over India like Lucknow, Delhi, Rajasthan. So don't miss this exhibition. Collection देखने के लिए swipe left. So this is brand themselves. You can see. એમની જોડે તમને ઇન્ડો વેસ્ટર્ન્સ મળી જવાના છે. Something in ombre. And if you want something in corset with thread work, તો એ બી તમને મળી જવાનું છે. They have pretty wide range of 2-piece and 3-piece suits. So nice. If you want something in cut work, तो एना options भी available છે like this. Yeah. And if you want anarkali angarakha, so yeah, they have got you. Next we have a brand having dress materials. Hello ma'am.
हेलो.
So क्या है हमारे पास dress materials में?
यस मैम, अनारकली ड्रेस मटेरियल है.
Right.
लखनवी है मैम, मुकेश वर्क में है.
मुकेश वर्क के साथ.
ये गोटापति वर्क है.
Yes. You can see the color options are available. So what do we have in collection?
We have here grazing table section,
Yes.
which comes in 3 risers. I have this cake boards and appetizer boards.
Yes.
There are lots of chopping boards here.
And everything is
This is one of my
hand
premium
painted.
collection, which comes with the gold foiling. It can
Wow.
be used on ottoman and beds.
And what?
I have different varieties of tray here in different sizes and colors. This comes as a set. It can be used in the bathroom, in the living area, in the bathroom, in the bedrooms as well. We have nice jewelry which has been handcrafted. There are hand painted shirts as well. So we have a
Yes.
large collection here.
Oh, it's me.
Yeah.
Hello.
So what do we have in collection?
In collection, the Coffee Girls brings in slow fashion, completely everything in natural fabrics. So we have cotton, which is again, you have to wear it to see. I mean, you can't buy, just seeing it, you can buy it. Then we have linens. Okay, I have used a lot of metal accessories. That's for texture.
Very nice.
Hello ma'am. So what do we have today?
We are a luxury skincare brand. We are 95% natural and we are backed by science.
This is for brightening.
Yes.
because
So
it's very nice.
we have avoided
Dark spot
plastic
reduction,
and we use our
Irish
product in
hydration
glass
and-
bottles.
So this is what you can see.
Yeah.
And we do have bamboo products.
Yeah.
No more borrowing combs.
So nice. Moving to another brand having some not just trivia. Hello ma'am, what do we have in collection? So yeah, we have some kind of cotton shirts, kurtis. You can see. If you want something in all white like crop top, તો એ બી તમને મળી જવાનું છે. If you want something in dresses, તો એ બી મળી જવાનું છે. They have bottom wear collection as well. And this kind of pretty shirts. Moving to another brand. Rona by Ronak. You can see અહીંયા તમને festive wear મળી જવાનું છે.
Hi, so we have some new additions for the Rakhi.
Yeah.
Dresses, 3-piece sets, like skirts. Even we have some handwork blouses
Yes.
and gowns.
So nice. Moving to another brand having some pretty dress material. So you can get it stitched the way you want with this pretty thread work dupatta. This is in Kota Doria. You can see with this pretty lace over the dupatta. So nice. So you can see the variety they have got.
હાય.
So आपको कलेक्शन कैसा लगा आज का?
कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा है. वेरी प्रिसाइज कलेक्शन एंड वेरी यूनिक कलेक्शन आई कैन से. एंड वैरायटी भी बहुत अच्छी है इधर. जो भी लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड चल रहा है सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द लखनवी अटायर एंड दिस इज वेरी यूनिक हियर.
Thank you ma'am. Of Abha and dress materials with heart work on it. You can see the wide range. They also have a dupatta. Wow, amazing. सो नाइस. सो ऐसे ओम्ब्रे में भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. यू कैन सी आपको ऐसा कुछ कॉटन के अंदर चाहिए तो वो भी यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा.
2100 से स्टार्टिंग है मैम.
वाओ, सो नाइस, सो नाइस.
ये सब हमारा न्यू कलेक्शन है.
Sarees, this kind of handwork blouses you will get here. And look at this pretty piece of chaniya choli. Wow, 15-meter flare. You can also check out this option. So this is brand label Mahakshi. They are from Udaipur. You can see તમને એમની જોડે આવા પાર્ટી વેર શર્ટ્સ મળી જવાના છે. Color range is available.
Yes, you can have a look on dual tone jewelry.
Yes.
And then I have a zircon collection over here.
Such a pretty diamond collection. You can see stud में भी आपको options मिल जाएंगे. And they do have German silver as well. Moving to another brand having some pretty kurtis, short kurtis and corset. Yes. So you can see. Again we have a jewelry brand with us, showcasing some Kundan jewelry, traditional heritage jewelry. No chicken, this brand is all the way from Lucknow. So you can see એમની જોડે તમને આવી short kurtis મળી જવાની છે in Lucknow if you want something in ombre or A-line. You will also have cute clutches and scrunchies, bows. Then we have wide range of rakhis. You can see from cute rakhis to some traditional rakhis. So if you are soft toy lover, then this place is for you. यहाँ पे आपको crochet soft toys मिल जाएंगे of every size. To another brand having some pretty ethnic wear with Mukesh work and Badla work. You can see you will also have some Lucknowi collection with them. Very pretty one. Moving to another brand having some pretty festive wear collection, something in anarkali.